Alright, let's get into the tutorial. You're going to want to go in with a Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer in a lighter shade than your skin tone. Just going to apply like that much. A little bit goes a long way. This is just going to act as our base so that the eyeshadow has more to hold on to. So it will be more pigmented. This is why you want to do this. It's not supposed to be perfect, so as long as you got concealer on, you're good. So you are gonna go in, I'm going in with a fluffy brush with the all over eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna go into Cinnabar. I believe this is Cinnabar. You want to dust it off, okay? So I'm gonna get real close to the camera so you can see. But we are just gonna do packing on the outside of the crease. So where the crease is, we're just putting our transition shade, which should be Cinnabar. But if I'm wrong, you know, it will be in the comments of this video. So I'm gonna go in again. I'm really trying to make that transition shade pop. You want to bring it up a little bit up to the eyebrow. Like that, okay? That's the transition shade. Now, I'm going to go in with the crease brush. I'm going to go into this shade here. And we're going to go right into the crease. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're just gonna kind of get it close to the lash line, just like that. And then we're gonna go in with the all over eyeshadow brush again. We're gonna blend this because we really want this to blend in seamlessly into the transition shade. And then we are gonna go back in with the crease brush. We're gonna go into this darker purple, dust it off, and then we're gonna do the same thing. And by doing this, we are building color definition into this eyeshadow look. So once you get something looking like this, you're just gonna go in, you're gonna blend the top of it so that it looks and blends more seamlessly. Now you can see it looks more pigmented over here. We'll get there. So you're gonna go in with the cream color brush, and I just go in with this color, and we're just gonna pat this in. Oh shoot, wrong eye. This one here, we're really gonna pack it in because we want it to be really light. Again, eyeshadow shades will be in the comments. Don't want to make this video too long. I'm just going to go back into that really deep purple shade just to re-add that dimension. I'm gonna kind of bring it up just a little bit. And then more here. The reasoning for doing this is because it adds more dimension. So we're gonna blend this part out. Top here out too. Okay, so I know the lighting is kind of odd and weird, but this is what it should look like. It should just look deeper, you know? So tap, 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 kind of bring it in here a little bit too. But you really need that dark shade here. Then finish it off. Blend, 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 blend. Okay. It is the same, I promise. It just looks different due to lighting, but it is the same. I'm gonna go in with my white right here, trying to brighten it up a little bit. Like, there we go. Okay. Now we're going to go in with the Mary Kay Lash Curler. And this is the Mary Kay Fanorama Mascara. My gosh, why won't these curl? Fanorama Mascara. You know what, hang on. I think that's what was it. Okay. The other thing we haven't done yet because we didn't add it to the waterline down here. So we're just gonna go in with this deep color here. And you're just connecting here. Trying to like smoke it out. Okay. Now you're gonna go in with the Mary Kay waterproof eyeliner. We're gonna go like this. Don't do that. But then go here. And just like that, you're done.